Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. It's hard to top a rental like this newly built 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom villa. It is located on Wilmington Drive in Jacksonville. This 5-unit complex offers the utmost privacy as it sits on a 2-acre parcel of land and is perched at the top of the hill at the end of the road. This luxurious 6,000 square foot villa is spread out across 3 floors and has been outfitted with the highest quality fixtures, fittings, and appliances. Everything one could ever want is right here, so pack your bags and move right in. What more is that the unit has its own pool plus an elevator. The complex has a gym and 24-hour security, and the unit has a generator and an alarm system and staff accommodation. This unit exemplifies luxury living in Kingston at its finest. Guys, let's take a look at this villa. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this unit is US 7.5 thousand or Jamaican $1,154,325 per month. To rent this unit, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.